India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently spoke about why so many Indians are leading world's biggest technology company. In a conversation with US podcaster and AI researcher Lex Fridman, Modi shared that India's deep cultural values, education system and strong family structures help Indians excel in leadership roles at top global firms. Mr. Modi explained that growing up in India, specifically in joint families, helps people develop essential leadership skills from a very early age. In joint families, children learn how to cooperate, handle responsibility, and solve problems together. These skills make them naturally suited for managing large teams and tackling complex challenges in global companies like Google, Microsoft, and Adobe. People raised in India, specifically in joint families, learn how to manage tasks effectively and work with large teams. That's what he quoted. He highlighted that these qualities have helped Indians become CEOs of major technology firms. Let me tell you that India has one of the largest pool of highly skilled engineers, scientists and entrepreneurs, specifically in the US. Mr. Modi shared a very interesting story to highlight this. He said that a top executive from an American company recently told him about the difference in talent availability between India and the US. Let me quote what he said. Mr. Modi said that he told me that he advertised for engineers in the US. He would get enough applicants to fill just one small room. But if the same advertisement was placed in India, even a football field wouldn't be enough to fit all the applicants. Now, this shows how India's large population combined with a strong focus on education, making it a major global technology hub. Every single year, lakhs of engineers graduate from India's IITs, NITs, and other prestigious universities ready to take on the global challenges. Mr. Modi also talked about how Indian culture teaches very important values like respect, adaptability, and hard work. He explained that Indian professionals don't just work hard, they also respect both their homeland, that's India, and country that they are working in. Now, this attitude makes Indians great global leaders. Take the example of Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. These leaders have not only reached the top level, but they have also helped their companies grow to new heights. Thanks to its talent and cultural values, India is becoming a key player in the global technology industry. Many international companies are opening offices in India now to hire skilled professionals. Major cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune are now global tech hubs, attracting investments from top companies and that too worldwide. With more Indian origin professionals taking leadership roles, the country's influence in global decision making is increasing. Mr. Modi believes that this is just the beginning, and in the coming years, Indians will play an even bigger role in shaping the world's future in technology and innovation. In the end, India's strong education system, joint family culture, and hard-working mindset has made Indians successful on the global stage. As more young Indians enter the tech industry, the country's impact on global innovation will only grow. Whether in Silicon Valley or India's own tech cities, Indian professionals are proving that they are among the best in the world. So, what do you think about India? Will India continue to produce top global leaders in the tech? Let us know.